I watched his content, 2022 mentorship, for a while. When he started the 2023 mentorship and I watched his live streams, it very quickly became apparent he calls both sides. That's when I found Vinny. ICT trash talking Algobox on a live made me curious. It's vastly superior. Exactly. Just in case he gets it wrong, he always has levels marked out in the opposite direction and beats his chest when either side hits. Anyone can do that. At I_am_the_8 gets caught lying on livestream once more. Wednesday, he posted a review clearly stating that his bias for Thursday was bearish. The market did the complete opposite of what he said, and in hindsight he flipped it and says his bias was bullish and claims precision.
Oh, here is the classic ICT. Let's make this a little bit
huge
bigger.
A huge amount of sell stops that are resting below there. I think we're probably going to try to gravitate towards that now. We've spent a lot of time here, ran above, and it looks, in my opinion, it looks bearish from where we're at. And even if it was to go higher, longer term, looks, in my opinion, it looks bearish from, in my opinion, it looks bearish, in my opinion, it looks bearish, in my opinion, it looks bearish, in my opinion, it looks bearish from, it looks bearish from, it looks bearish, it looks bearish, it looks bearish, it looks bearish.
What was that? Is that bearish? Okay, just so everybody, you want to write that down. You might want to write that down because ICT Muppets seem to have really short-term memories, but he said bearish. Okay, just checking to make sure you knew.
Where we're at. And even if it was to go higher longer term, it would be okay for it to take that out. And if it goes below that and then rejects it and starts to trade, much more animated to the upside, then that would be decidedly bullish. But
okay, so then it's decidedly bullish. So we go from bear to...
But near term, I'm looking for bullish. Decidedly bullish, decidedly bullish, decidedly bullish, decidedly bullish, decidedly bullish.
Okay, so himself an out, but you clearly had seen in this video clip, he is trying to say that it's bearish, but he's also giving himself an out. Well, here we go.
But near term, I'm looking for sell side going into tonight and to tomorrow. A huge
all right, so let's hear what he says in the clip right after it when he failed.
Were we talking about the market going down for ES? No.
Okay, so maybe, again, I'll give it that maybe ICT is stupid. I have totally recognized the fact that he's a pill popper. Okay, the guy is on drugs all the time. He's popping pain pills to try to keep himself up all the time. So he's got, I can go on 4-hour rants after I pop my pain pills for his, fake back injury. But he's either mental here. Does he not know that bullish or bearish, like what those mean? So bearish for everyone means it's going to go down, but all of a sudden he's saying, I didn't say it was going to go down. Let's hear that one more time. What was that again, Mikey?
Were we talking about the market going down for ES? No.
Actually, you actually were talking about it going down. That's what bearish means, bro. So maybe you don't know what bearish means. It means the ES going down. And yes, that's exactly what you were talking about. But now because he messed up and it didn't do what he said it was going to do and break this area, now all of a sudden it's like, nope, see, told you. Okay, here's the classic ICT in all its glory. Flip Flopper Friday, brought to you by the letters I, C, and T. Because I can't trade. Carry on, Mikey.
What was the bias? Higher. Were we talking about the market going down for ES? No. What was the bias? Higher. What was I calling for as a target? 41.38 3/4 and maybe 41.40 1/2. So, were we talking about the market going down for ES? No. What was the bias? Higher. What was I calling for as a target? 41.38 3/4 and maybe 41.40. So, were we talking about the market going down for ES? No. What was the bias? Higher. What was I calling for as a target? 41.38 3/4 and maybe 41.40 1/2. So,